Hi there, my name is Cassie Taylor. I'm Managing Director with Life Strategies, and I'm very excited to have Desiree Carlson here with me today to speak a little bit about a workshop that was developed building from this textbook that Dr. Roberta Borgen co-authored with several career development experts in the sector. It's called Career Recovery, Creating Hopeful Careers in Difficult Times. And we're really excited about this workshop. And Desiree was one of the co-developers of the virtual workshop and ran the pilot of it. So we just wanted to pick her brain a little bit today about why people might be interested in this workshop.
Thank you, Cassie. I'm also excited. This is a lot of work that we've put into this, and I think it's a workshop that will help people a lot, and especially because we've had so many transitions lately in the labor market. People are going through a lot of changes. We know the pandemic changed things for everybody. So it kind of brought this question mark on how do I want to do things now? Some people lost their jobs. Some people are transitioning into different life stages. Some people are deciding to work remotely. And I think that all of these changes, while they are very exciting, they also bring a lot of uncertainty. And these changes that people are going through sometimes require support and time to think about those things and think about what's at stake, what do you really value, and what are these changes meaning to you. So this workshop is for people who are transitioning in different ways, and they want to either recover because they had a career setback, or maybe they are just changing the way they have worked before, or they are deciding on taking a new career and are wondering, how can I do this in the best possible way and in a way that feels hopeful? That's why it matches a lot with what the book wants to invite people to engage with, which is a hopeful mindset. And how can I get other perspectives and get new feelings about change? As hard as it can be, it can also be very exciting, and the workshop allows you to address both the challenges and also the possibilities that these transitions can bring.
Yeah, what an important shift in mindset that, challenges are there and you have to cope with those challenges, but opportunities are also in place. So
Yeah.
how does this particular workshop, you talked about lots of different issues that people are encountering in today's labor market and the way that we work. So how does this workshop help those individuals?
Well, the workshop, as it follows the book, it's really great because you have the book to go to it and read the cases and go deeper into some of the topics that will be covered. But at the same time, the workshop is very hands-on. It's a reflective workshop, and it allows you to go through these different stages of clarification. So to understand where you're standing, what are your values, what are your skills, what are your talents, what are your experiences, what are you bringing to this transition, and then how can you start actioning in different ways these skills and possibilities, and how you can transform this self clarity into an action plan. So it's tailored in a way that allows anybody, no matter your age and no matter what type of job you're doing, to have the time to reflect on yourself quite deeply, and at the same time in a fun way, and being able to compare yourself with other cases and other situations where people have gone through different things, where you can see yourself reflected, or you can learn different solutions that maybe you haven't thought of, and also allow yourself to make core questions that have to do with your life purpose and your philosophy, like what do I want to do and how do I want to do it, so that this can be very mindful and very addressed in a very focused way with what you want for your life. And it's not only what type of job you want or where are you going to find it, but in what way do you want to build that and where is that coming from. So I think it's tailored in a way that allows people to really nail it and get their answers aligned with what really matters to them.
Wonderful. What a great all-encompassing process to walk through in such a short period of time. And love to see the interconnection between work, life, and learning, all integrated together is that concept of career. So thank you so much for taking the time just to speak a little bit about it. For those who are wanting to find more information about the program, you can, or the workshop, you can visit our website at lifestrategies.ca. or visit our online store. You can place your registration and get started, store.lifestrategies.ca. Thanks so much.